Good morning mga katropa. Good morning Sir Vince.
Good morning Sir Leo.
Good morning.
Good morning mga katropa. Kumusta na po kayo? Panibagong vlog po para sa ating daily vlog. Anong gusto mong i-vlog natin, katropang Leo?
Meron tayong mga request kaso international. Gusto nila English version.
Subukan natin. Ano kaya yung pinaka simple gawin natin muna si cruise control.
Yun. Ito para sa mga tropa nating
mga English version. Subukan lang natin. Ito po, we'll start. Good morning.
Good morning mga katropa. Again,
For our mga katropa for international, they are requesting for English language, so we will do an English language. Sorry for our grammar if not good, so we're trying our best to understand us. And katropang Leo was requested the cruise control, how to use it. We will do on this car right now. So as you see, this is the steering wheel. You can see always, most of the time on the steering wheel, the cruise control. So the cruise control switch, we will tell for you how it works. This is the cruise control switch. A cruise control switch, this is the switch button, and this is the off button, and this is the set, and this is of course the reaccelerate. Okay, so to use this cruise control, make sure you turn on the switch, and you can see a unique icon on the cluster. The cluster turns to white indicator light. Okay, when I set the cruise control, I simply press the set button here. I'm driving an 80 kph. It depends on the cruise control how it works. Mostly for the cruise control, they are working from 40 kph and above. The maximum average of the cruise control to run, it will be up to 140 kph. That is the safest way of this one. To adjust the cruise control speed, you can go on this icon for the reacceleration. You can just simply press up the button. Your speed will be going speed up. And to reduce your speed, you can simply push the button down. Your speed will be going turn down. To turn off your cruise control without pressing the switch, you can simply press the off switch here. Okay, another thing scenario, you can turn on again the cruise control. You can just press up speed. You can speed your accelerator, but when you accelerate, it will not turn off the cruise control. But when you reduce your speed for this one, the accelerator will remain on the average setting that you will put. Let's say my setting now is 80, it will be going back to 80. Okay, in another scenario, how to turn off the cruise control in case of collisions. So simply by pressing brake without touching anything, when you press your brake, it will be turned back the icon to the white color there. So means your cruise control is turned off. Am I clear, sir? Everyone, this is how cruise control it works. Thank you very much and have a good day. Bye bye.